Good evening, guys. I'm just making a quick video for you guys on a 2020 Toyota Prius. In this case, I'm actually doing a towing, and the vehicle doesn't start. The key, you turn it on, it doesn't. Nothing comes on the dash, so you cannot put it in neutral. I was looking on the manuals, nothing comes up, whatever. Anyways, at the end of the story, the best or the easy way I found to do it is actually taking the shifter selector motor or whatever out. So just showing you guys what it took and what it was. It's not a big deal, but it takes somewhere like 30 to 40 minutes, I guess, maybe earlier, maybe less. It depends how skilled you are on it. So let me show you what goes on. First, over here, you got to take the first shield off. That's under the car. Take the first shield off, and then the second shield comes off as well. So the selector is right there. That is the guy. This is the guy right here. It goes mounted like that. It has 3 bolts. It got 1 12 over here, and the other 2 bolts is one here and the other over here. Sorry, the other one goes right there. It's actually 14. It's a special bolt, but you can actually reach it from inside here. There is like a groove gap. You can reach it there, and a little by little unscrew it, and then use a plier later on to turn on the shaft. You turn the shaft, and the vehicle will be released. Let me show you what the bolts look like. So these are special bolts. These are the special guys. You see, if you try to turn it on, it's like an Allen head, but it has like a shaft in the middle or something in the middle, so you cannot use a regular Allen head, but you can reach it on the side with a 14 millimeter range. You probably need like couple 14 millimeter ranges that had like different angles. Sometimes there was one that was a little bit of a hassle to fix, and the other one is 12. It's a regular 12. You can reach this one, you can reach it from the top. It's hard, but you can do it from the top. But anyways, you need to go to the bottom to get these 2 guys, unless you had the special tool, which probably makes it really easy. So anyways, that's all there is to it, guys. Once you take the 3 bolts off, you just pull the whole motor, stepper motor, out of the way. You just pull it out, boom. Take a plier and turn the shaft, which is this little guy back here. This guy back here, you just turn it a little bit, and you feel as soon as you turn it a little bit, you feel the car on release right away. That's it. That's all you need to do for to put it in neutral if the vehicle doesn't want to do anything. The battery is good, but something is wrong with it. So anyways, have a good day, guys, and good luck with it.